Happy Sunday, babes. So, guess what I got? Guess what we have here? Uh. One of our Temu packages came today. So the next one is coming tomorrow. I had a total of four. I had a total of 4 orders with Temu. So I'm excited. I'm excited, y'all. I'm really excited. And you all, I love these care bags that they put everything in. I love them. So let's see what's the first item. You know I'm an island girl. And that's nice they put some paper in there with it, you know. Okay. One love. What's that? One love, baby. One love. I love it. This is a extra large. Y'all know I get everything extra large because I like my clothes to be loose. I love this. And let's see what else we got. Okay, we're gonna put this. I'm gonna put this back in the log. So how is everyone's Sunday going? I hope y'all are having a very, very good Sunday. A very good Sunday. It is so much going on, y'all. I tell you the what truth. Me and Coco, we just woke up not too long ago from our nap. She done went back to sleep. And I said, send something up. I might as well go ahead and do my unboxing. Y'all gonna love these. I love them. I'm excited already. I love them. One love, baby. One love. So you got the shorts and you got the pants. So you can lounge in this. You can lounge in it or you can work out in it. See there? Yes, you can lounge in it or work out in it. I think I'm going to wear this tomorrow. And what shoes I was... Well, my sneakers are pink. So, but oh well. Y'all know what? I did go ahead and take a little medicine to relax my muscles. And it did help a little bit. So that's 3 in this order. And y'all gonna love this. This is so cute. Y'all know what? I saw one of the influencers with this exact outfit. Now this set wasn't no more than like 12 something. Y'all, I love sets. Y'all look. Y'all gonna love this. I think y'all can see it a little bit. What is that? Melanin Made. Then the back. Oh yes, I love this. I love this, y'all. I love it. Hope y'all can see pretty good. Melanin Made. And that I am Melanin Made. Okay, and then we have next, we have some shorts to go with it. Now this is so cute. Y'all. Okay, make sure I'm showing that. Melanin Made, y'all. Stretchy material, comfortable. Yes, I love it. I love that. I love all my pieces. So it was three items in this order. And then I have another order tomorrow, and at least 3 is in that one. Yeah, 3 is in that one. Y'all, you cannot resist Temu. Everything comes from China, okay? And so all those Gucci's and high price clothes, it comes from China. They just stick their name on it. It comes from China. China. And so you're getting good quality clothes, more bang for your buck. And I never had any problem with any of Temu's clothes. Ever. Never, ever. How that song go, y'all? Ever. So thank y'all for tuning in to my channel. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye, babes.